know, you're kind of messing up my video with your cleaning up and stuff. So no comments, you're just going to smile?
No comments.
She's actually washing down the inside of the boat, so she's selling the water out of it with a cup. Wow. And Alejandro is selling the boat. Watch for the crab trap, buddy. And he's doing a really good job. So go more that way. We won't be on that side of the island. We're headed downwind right now towards the Dunedin Causeway, which is probably hard to see in the video, but it's straight out that way.